Hello everybody, and that was aggressive. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing alright. I'm still here, kind of. Very sorry I've been gone for so very long, but thank you so very much to everyone who has checked in on me to make sure I'm still like okay. I have missed you guys an absolute ton, so I thought today I would sit down and do a really quick unboxing because the boxes are piling up high, you guys, and I definitely don't think I'm gonna have enough time to get through like all of them this month, but this one in particular has been intriguing me greatly, so I really wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you guys today. Now this box is definitely going to be a little bit different than the boxes we typically unbox on this channel. It is not makeup based at all. This is like to beautify your living space instead of your face. Now I do actually really like to decorate. My decorating style is that of like a spooky grandma. That's like the best way to identify what's going on around here. Today's box that we are unboxing for the very first time on this channel is the Parabo box. I have it right here in front of me. It comes in a very nice like outer packaging. I mean, the box itself you could definitely keep and store like photos and things in. It's very nicely constructed and pretty cute looking. I mean, it's just black, but I like that. The Parabo box is a bi-monthly subscription, so that means you get it every other month. It is also $29 with free shipping. And what I think is really interesting, and I haven't seen in any other subscription box before, is that if you don't like what comes in it, you can get a refund. You can press a refund button on their website and say, I don't like it, can I please have a refund? What is also very different and very interesting with the Parabo box is that they go into your Instagram and they take a picture and they print it and turn it into like artwork for your home. Now, if you're somebody like me that doesn't exactly have the most immaculate Instagram, and you might be concerned that like, oh, I don't know what they're gonna select out of this beautiful selection of pictures, you can choose which one you want by putting a hashtag underneath it, and I'll put that hashtag on the screen somewhere because I can't remember what it is. Or if you do have a beautiful, lovely Instagram like most people, then you can just let basically your friends decide and they will print off your most liked photo and that'll be your art for that month. I'm actually really excited. This has been sitting in my room for like days and I haven't been able to get into it, so I cannot wait to see what is in here. I absolutely love how it is presented, nicely wrapped up with this very lovely little gold sticker. Alrighty, so right on top we have a little booklet for this month, and I guess it tells us the theme, and I think it actually says everything that's inside of here, so I'm not gonna open this up because I want to be surprised when I do. So on top here we have some nice foamy stuff, and we have yet another little card. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this little card and see what is inside. Oh! Okay, very interesting. It looks like we have some different prints. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, I really like that one, like the mountain range. These are super duper cool. So I'm guessing what is underneath this little extra piece of foam is a picture frame of some sort, and it has the picture that I selected from my Instagram in it, which I'm super duper excited to see because the one I picked is just excellent. But before we get to that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these other two little items here in the box, and first up we have a super cute, very hefty little like vase. So here we just have our two-toned little vase. We have like a concrete-ish gray down here at the bottom with a gold top to it, and inside there is room to pop in some flowers or something that you put in a vase. Next up, it looks like we have something very similar, which it's a candle. Whoa. Let's just drop that twice. Next up we have a candle, and I absolutely love candles. It's just like that. I'm not getting any scent from it at all. I think it's an unscented candle. That's probably the best way to go with like a subscription like this, since, you know, everyone has very different tastes. Everybody has different preferences of smells, so a unscented candle makes sense to me. It is very cute. Again, we just have the little two-toned like gray and gold going on here with our white candle on the inside. Okay, I just took a sneak peek at the picture that I selected to be put into the artwork for this month, and they have it in a beautiful golden frame. And you would think that most people would pick a picture of like, you know, a beautiful scenery or a cute picture of them and their friends or family, but what I have here in front of me is not that at all. It's goats. So this is I'm just wondering what they thought, like, when I sent them this picture to be put into a frame. But here we have the only picture I could really think of from my Instagram that I would want framed and put up in my home, and it's a picture of two little adorable goats from the pumpkin patch near my home. I'll get you guys a closer look at the goats so you could really see them in all their majesty. So here they are. They're super adorable. This one's a little bit aggressive over here. He really wanted that 25-cent goat feed, but nonetheless super duper cute little goats, and yeah, I absolutely love them. Any chance whatsoever that I get to go up to the pumpkin patch or the Christmas tree farm, because it's a Christmas tree farm and pumpkin patch, I have to go feed the goats. I bring a handful of quarters and I stand there and feed the goats. Sometimes I let the young children, you know, get in there and feed the goats too, but I really enjoy feeding the goats. Anywho, so this isn't a very thick, nice golden frame. It seems like there might be something inside of here. So this is what the back looks like. It has little areas where you can hang it up. Oh, okay, I get it. All right, well, first of all, there's a little box in here as well, but this back portion of the frame is actually like magnetic, so you don't have to worry about like putting the little things up and adjusting them. It's just a very strong magnet. And then we have a tiny little box here, and that is very thoughtful of them. They have sent little screws as well and a cute little package. So this is definitely my favorite thing out of the box here, my little goat picture. I think it's super cute. I really like this frame. I like how sturdy and like hefty it feels. I do like that you can change out your goat picture if you need to with all of these super cute little prints. So overall, I am quite happy with this box. I think it is very cool. I think the personalization of the box is what makes it so interesting, like being able to have one of your Instagram photos taken and put into a piece of artwork. I've also seen that they do other stuff too. They'll do prints and like coasters and different stuff like that, so it's not the same thing every month. It's not like a, you know, picture frame every single month. I also do like this box that it comes in. Now it has wings, but this just feels like an extra item almost because it is such a nice box. You could definitely use that for storage. Alrighty guys, now that we have gone through everything, I'm going to take a quick look at this little pamphlet here just in case we've missed anything, and look at that. It's like one of those maps that you can never fold back up when you go traveling. So apparently this month's box was also a collaboration with two artists. That's really cool. So we have Rose Kinney, an artist from New Zealand, and then we have Dan Hobday, who paints beautiful abstract art in his studio in Devon, England, which sounds like my absolute dream. If I was able to paint, that sounds like my absolute dream. So you guys, I thought this was a very interesting box. It's definitely different than what we're used to seeing on my channel. If you guys would like to see a little bit more like variety in the boxes I do, I would kind of like to do that. I think that might be fun. I was thinking about trying out maybe some like style boxes or other like home decor boxes and things like that, so let me know if that'd be something you would be interested in. And I do want to let you guys know that this was sent to me from Parabo for review, but this is not a sponsored video. I do have a code for you guys as well, but that is not an affiliate code. I will not be making any money off that. It will just give you guys a little bonus gift if you would like to sign up. However, this box right here is currently sold out. The next box will be shipping out in April, so you can go ahead and like put your name on the list and everything if you do want to check out this box. I will leave the code and the link and all that kind of stuff down below in the description. But yeah, that's all I have you guys today. Again, I'm so very sorry for my incredibly long absence. I cannot wait to be back, like for real. But just thank you guys for being so supportive and sticking in there with me. You're absolutely the best. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Anyway, I just hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!